How can you tell if someone is following you on Instagram? That's what we're going to find out together in this video. By the end of this video, you'll understand the techniques to know if someone is following you on Instagram, and also a bonus technique to find out if that person stops following you. We'll go through this together. The link will be in the description to find out if someone has unfollowed you or not. The link will be in the description and in the first comment. But for those who want to know if someone is following you on Instagram, it's super simple. It's all about the number of followers. The number of followers is the number of people who follow you. All the people currently listed on my account are the ones who follow me. The number of people I follow are the accounts that I follow, so me following them, etc. So for example, let's click on Insomniac, the first one. And actually, if you go to someone's profile and it says follows you back, that means this person is following you. So now you know how to tell if someone is following you or not. And now let's see what's next. So here, when it says following, it means that you are following them, and then you can click as well on following, so the number of people, and you can see if you appear there or not. If you appear here, you will always be displayed at the top of the list. If you are shown at the top of the list, it means you are the follower. And here you are the one being followed. That means they are following you. So those are the two techniques. Now let's look at an additional technique for those who want to know if someone is following you or has unfollowed you. You can click in the description, and actually I'm going to send you to this website. So this website will give you reports. You can then add your account. That's what I did here. There you go. I did that back in February 2023. And thanks to that, well, I've since cancelled my subscription, etc. But thanks to that, you get summaries. And so you also get the number of people who likes your photos the most, what they liked, how many times you've liked, the number of people you've followed, and so on. And actually, it lets you track what a person does. So often, that's going to be yourself. That's what I did. The number of people I followed, unfollowed, and so on. And you can also add other people, for example. I don't know, you could add someone, your child, for example, so you can see if they follow or unfollow someone. And you also have the people who unfollow you. So there you go, the link will be in the description. If you're interested, feel free to check it out. And that's it, there will also be an article on the Alucard.fr website. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and watch the video that's going to appear here. Bye everyone.